Welcome back to another apartment tour video. So today we are in the Dallas Arts District touring this gorgeous high-rise called Atelier. If you're new to my channel, my name is Ashley and I'm a luxury apartment locator here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. So if you'd like to start your free apartment search, make sure to click the link below and we can get started ASAP. Okay, without further ado, we're gonna head into this building called Atelier. So this building is fairly new. I believe it was built towards the end of 2021 and it is quite a beauty, especially on the higher floors. So here they offer 1 bedrooms, they have lofts, 2 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms, and penthouses. The penthouses are crazy big, and when you come in, you will see that they have a concierge, so that is 24 hours. Also, they focus on art because we are in the arts district. So as you can see here, they do have art on display. These pieces are from local artists and they are available to buy. So this building has 4 elevators, and we're going to go ahead and take the elevator up to the floor with the amenities. Also, the leasing office will be found on this floor, which is floor 11. I'm going to show you guys around this floor, but first we are going to check out some apartments. So this is 1904. So when you come in, this is big. A large laundry room right here, and then the little mudroom area where you can put your stuff. Everything is very white and clean, hardwood floors, floor-to-ceiling windows in here. And this is the spacious kitchen with the island. So if you like this one, it is very white. Definitely have to clean it quite often, but it's a very, very clean look. Bosch appliances, these are amazing. Gas stove top. Also the wine cooler right here that's built in, microwave, dishwasher. And here is the view that you get right here of the Arts District, downtown. So we're on the 19th floor. You do also have a balcony right here. It's not the biggest, but you could fit like a couple chairs up there. Okay, so that's the kitchen. Here is one of the bedrooms. And a closet, which is actually on the smaller side. The other one has a larger closet. Okay. Oh, there's another closet right here that you could use. Okay, so this is the other bedroom. Oh, you know what? Okay, so, this is on a corner, which means you get light from both sides. Love this. This is a really pretty view. And you get that natural sunlight too. Okay, so this is the closet for this bedroom. So I guess the other one is the smaller closet. Here's a bathroom. Shower right here, so it's like a Miami style. You also get a view from the bathroom. Dual vanity. Alright, so that's the bathroom. And let me see. Okay, so here is bathroom. Wait, is this 2 bedrooms with a den? Mm-hmm. Oh, I was so confused. I was like, that closet is so small. Okay, good. All right, so here's the second bathroom. Okay, so the smaller room was the den, thankfully. So this one, oh wow, you can see the whole AT&T Center from here. All right, so bedroom here, then bedroom across from the balcony. All right, and this one has a walk-in. Just kidding about the other bedroom. That was a den with a closet. So this is the B8.1. So this is the B8. When you first come in, you have this half bath. you don't have to share with your guests. What is this? Oh, okay, a coat closet. Cool. Here's the mudroom area. And this is the kitchen, the large island. Now this one has the gray instead of all white everything. Built-ins, of course. So nice. Now this one is gonna have the best view from the bedroom, which you will see here in a second. Also has the sliding doors right here. So this would be like the den area. You can close it in on both sides, and then you can walk to the balcony from there also. And, oh, okay, let's check out this beautiful bedroom, yes. Got views on views on views. And then you have the bathroom with all this natural light. We don't even need the lights on, but if you want them on, you got even more lighting. Oh my gosh. You can see the whole city from here. I know this is so pretty at night. Okay, you can take a bath, relax while looking out at the city. You can take a shower right here. Just kind of cool. It's like very open. So that's different. With the dual vanities. Oh my gosh, I love this view. So nice. So nice. Okay. And you get a large walk-in closet with built-ins. All right, let's check out the other bedroom. What's this? Oh, washer and dryer. Okay, so this is a full bathroom number 2. And a closet. And this would be, so this is closed off. So this is bedroom number 2. Close that door. And this one has, we have a view. It's not as nice as the corner view with all the windows, but you still get a good amount of light coming all the way up from the ceilings. And there's ceiling fans also in both rooms. Okay. So that was this one. Yeah.
She asked me to for releasing. I'm like, yo, like I would go.
Yeah, that's a good area. Oh, it's open. Thank you. Okay, so now we are in the 2-story loft, same building. So we walk right in. Here is a half bath. This is the kitchen. It looks like they're fixing one of the cabinets over there. So nice open kitchen. This is definitely more of a loft vibe. So open space down here. Living area. You see the finishes are very similar to the last one we were at, except this is the other side of the building. So we are on the 5th floor now. You still get a really good view, and it's nice and quiet over here too. Got the trees, it's very beautiful. Clyde Warren Park is just around the corner. All right, we've got the mud room right here. So let's go upstairs. Love the hardwood. It smells really new in here. I wonder if anybody's lived in this unit yet. So this is very unique because we have the concrete flooring. Very loft vibe. Loft vibes. So upstairs. This is so pretty. And the balcony is way bigger on this one. All right, so this is room number 1. As you notice, there are no doors to the bedrooms. So if that's cool with you and you like very open everything, then this could be a great fit for you. Here is the large walk-in closet. I actually preferred the last one, but this one's very big. It's bigger than the other. And here is the laundry space. Next we have bedroom number 2, which is dark because there is no window in this room. See the closet. If you don't mind not having a walk-in, then this could do, or this could be like a guest room. If you're ready to get started on your apartment search, make sure to click the link below. And just to reiterate, my services are 100% free to you. So let's get started today.